Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're discussing how you can leverage customer feedback to improve your auto repair shop. Staying ahead in the automotive industry requires more than just skilled mechanics and state-of-the-art equipment. One invaluable resource often overlooked is customer feedback. Your clients are the lifeblood of your business, and their input can be the key to unlocking untapped potential for growth and improvement. In today's video, we will explore effective ways to collect and analyze customer feedback and discuss how you can leverage this valuable information to make positive changes in your auto repair shop. Embrace multiple channels for feedback. Encourage customers to share their experiences through various channels such as online reviews, surveys, and direct interactions. Create a user-friendly feedback system that allows customers to provide comments, suggestions, and ratings easily. By diversifying your feedback channels, you'll capture a more comprehensive view of customer experiences. Actively seek feedback. Don't wait for feedback to come to you. Actively seek it out. Consider implementing post-service surveys or follow-up calls to gauge customer satisfaction. Make it clear that you value their opinions and are committed to continuously improving your services based on their feedback. Analyze feedback systematically. Once you've collected feedback, organize and analyze it systematically. Look for recurring themes or trends that may indicate areas for improvement. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback, as both can offer valuable insights into what your shop is doing well and where there's room for enhancement. Use feedback to identify strengths and weaknesses. Customer feedback serves as a mirror for your business. Identify your shop's strengths and showcase them to build on positive aspects. Simultaneously, use negative feedback as an opportunity to address weaknesses and implement necessary changes. A continuous improvement mindset can turn customer dissatisfaction into loyalty when customers see their concerns addressed promptly. Implement positive changes. After analyzing feedback, take concrete steps to implement positive changes. Whether it's refining your customer service processes, enhancing communication, or investing in additional training for your staff, make sure the changes align with the feedback received. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also positions your auto repair shop as one that actively listens and responds to its clientele. Communicate changes to customers. Keep your customers informed about the changes you've made based on their feedback. Transparency builds trust and demonstrates your commitment to providing the best possible service. Use your website, social media, or in-shop signage to communicate improvements and show appreciation for the role your customers played in shaping these changes. Customer feedback is a powerful tool that can propel your auto repair shop to new heights. By actively collecting, analyzing, and acting on feedback, you not only enhance the overall customer experience, but also set the stage for continuous improvement and long-term success. Embrace the valuable insights your customers provide and watch your shop thrive. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.